Thank you, Deputy Speaker. There are many manufacturing business success stories in regional Australia. Blessed with stable, reliable and committed workforces, land for expansion and a resilient can-do community attitude, many of our small to medium-sized manufacturers thrive in our regional towns and cities, especially when government policy settings are supportive rather than restrictive. One such is the Jamestrong Packaging facility in Taree, in the heart of the Line electorate, which I've visited on 2 occasions. For over 30 years, Jamestrong has been producing and supplying food and aerosol cans in Australia. The plant at Taree employs 81 people, Taree's second largest private sector employer, and produces over 100 million cans per year. It has recently invested more than $8 million in an advanced production line to restore in-house capacity to manufacture aluminium slugs and then convert them into canned products. This allows the company to secure a domestic supply chain, reduces reliance on imports and allows a recycled aluminium to be incorporated into the process. This initiative has used the expertise of the University of New South Wales' Sustainable Materials Research and Technology Centre, a collaboration utilising world-class R&D to improve sustainability of operations, repeatedly recycle metal and provide additional ongoing employment. It's a win-win-win situation. However, this all happens when policy settings are consistent, supportive and realistic, not inconsistent, restrictive and idealistic, which is the case with the Albanese government's headlong rush into intermittent renewables as baseload power and its ideological use of net zero for its socialist agenda. Regional manufacturers, like their city cousins and all Australian households, are under pressure. In just 5 years, Jamestrong's energy bills have increased by 65%, insurance by 76% and rates and taxes by 75%. These ever-increasing cost imposts are unsustainable and places the business at a competitive disadvantage to its offshore competitors. It undermines Australia's sovereign manufacturing goals for Made in Australia. In addition, the government's energy policies are also threatening the long-term viability of Tomago, the main source of local aluminium and the mainstay of Jamestrong's casting line. In addition, the push for green aluminium, that is material made using renewable energy, has a perverted effect of pushing aluminium supply offshore, despite local aluminium being just 120 kilometres away and without the frequent flyer air miles. We need to restore balance to the production of baseload power for industry with nuclear power and making better use of existing coal and gas technology.
Authorised by Alison Penfold, The Nationals, Taree.